Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Pamela and I make content on all different things, including horticulture, hair, bags, and my life. So if you're interested, don't forget to subscribe. But I know my background is completely different. There's a lot of construction and demo going on in my room, so I don't even have access to my camera. It's literally behind a whole bunch of crap. And I don't know, maybe this weekend I'll have access to it, but I'm filming on my iPad, so do forgive the video quality. I've been at work all day. Let me fix myself. Okay, so I've been at work all day, but I wanted to pick up some supplies from just like the big box store, so I decided to just go to Lowe's because it was about like just 10 minutes away from work. So I went to Lowe's and I picked up some goodies, and I also have another awesome little free surprise goodie that I found on the way home. So the first thing is this Hoya. I love Hoyas, and I picked up this. The tag says Hoya Bilobata DS70, but I think this is a Hoya Bertoine. Please do apologize. I do apologize for the mispronunciation, but this is the Hoya that I picked up, that I lucked out on getting, so I'm so happy about that. The main thing that I don't have physically with me because it's too heavy is a bag just of soil, which is the main reason why I had to go to that's why I went to Lowe's pretty much. The next part of this haul is just in here. I needed to pick up some Super Thrive because this is just something I need for my plants for sure. And that's pretty much actually all that I picked up from Lowe's. I didn't want to just spend, I think that's it, right? Yeah, that's it. Is that all I got? Oh yeah, that is all I got. Yeah, just those three things I picked up. So when I got into my building, my eyes look crazy, yo. When I got into my building, usually in my building, you leave things downstairs that you don't want. Good quality things, of course. And somebody left this beautiful pot with a drainage hole downstairs. So I'm so happy. I don't think my new Hoya, maybe my new Hoya might fit perfectly in here if, you know, I change the home pot of it. But this is a nice ceramic pot, guys. It's a glazed ceramic pot, so I'm so happy to actually have this beauty in my collection. So yeah, that's pretty much all for today's video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, join this little cookie family because we're pretty awesome here and we're doing jacked up bootleg video. But don't worry, the next one is gonna be good quality. And as you can see, all my plants are literally just chilling behind me, and I wanted a new one in the meantime. And would you believe this is my last plant purchase for the next at least month? I know I decided that I need to give myself a break from purchasing plants. I need the break because there are just so many plants that I got in my collection that I wanted, and I got everything that I wanted. And now I just need to appreciate, love, and just nurture the ones that I have. And I don't care if it's rare, I don't care if it's common, if it's something that I want, right, I'll get it. But I'm just gonna be very more diligent about the plants that I purchase. Yes, Miss Lola, come on, look at her. Come. What plant was that? Oh guys, the whole plant just fell. What the heck? It was my chandelier plant. Alright, y'all. Oh, found the plant. I found the plant. Don't panic, everybody. This is reality. Reality. And yeah, all seen this. Yo, isn't this so cute? I got a Woody and I have a Jessie hat that I'm also gonna add onto this one. Wow, so cute. But anyways, I'm gonna in my next video I'm for sure going to make a more formal sit down of just this whole thing. But like I said, that is gonna be my last plant purchase. Yes, in the month of February you are going to get more, like maybe 2 more plant haul unboxing videos, but that will be it. And those plants were of course purchased or arranged to be sent to me in the month of January, because today is January 30th. January 30th. So yeah guys, but I have to go clean up all this soil and dirt that's on me now from that freaking plant that wanted to just be the center of attention, along with my cat. This all happened because my cat was, oh, what is this on my face? That all happened because she was being very attention and needed, like she needs attention so much. So guys, yeah, again, like I said, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, join this little kooky family because crap like this happens, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Let's get growing. Bye. Honestly,